Let's learn modal verb with their different meaning. Can, request, ability. May, future possibility or permission. Could, suggestion or past ability. Might, present or future possibility. Must, necessity or obligation. Will, willingness, future tense. Shall, suggestion or offer. Would to, moral obligation or what's right. Have to, unwillingness. Should, necessity or advice, blame. Would, wish, polite request. Used to, repeated action in the past. Be to, agreement. Need, please write down your comment.